Hey guys, welcome back to the design school, and it's day 13 of Fusion 360. If you haven't seen the previous video, please go check that out where I have made a water tap, a very basic simple water tap. And in this video, I'm going to make a door lock. Even that's pretty simple to do. So I'm just making whatever that is coming to my mind, and even you should try to it. It is really fun to do that. And let's start with today's session. And here we have the Lamborghini Huracan Spider, one of the coolest cars on this planet, finished in this beautiful green color known as Word Scandal. Okay, so let's start with today's session. So to be honest, I don't have any reference, or I don't have any images and dimensions and any of those things. Whatever is coming to my mind, that's what I'm going to design today. So let's see what we get in the end as the final product. So I'm just going to start randomly, and so I have selected the right plane. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna construct a line 30 mm long. So I'll construct a line of 30 mm, that is 15 on each side, and I'll just finish that sketch. Now select both of this line, and I'll convert this thing into a pipe of, let's say, 10 mm. Okay, so this thing actually became 15 mm. I wanted it to be 150, right? 150 on right hand side and 150 on left hand side. Okay, so there it is. So I'm not making any complicated lock, I would say. Let me show you what I'm saying. Simple door lock, is that what it is called? Okay, so there it is. Let me just download this thing and open it up for you. Yeah, right there. So this is what I'm trying to construct. A simple old school looking Indian door lock. So this is the cylindrical pipe, you can say. And this is going to be the handle, and this is just a slot made for lock to go, and these are just few supports. So these are total of 4. 3 of these are going to go on the door, and one will be mounted on the wall. So as soon as all of these align, you can just slide it like this inside, and it just locks the door out. So that is what we are trying to construct. Extremely simple. So your cylindrical pipe is ready. Now we'll make the remaining portion of this thing. Let's give some finishing touches to this. The edges are extremely sharp on this, so I'll just now go into chamfer and select this. Control hold as well as select that, and we'll give a chamfer of 0.5 or 1. 1 looks cool. Yeah, 1 right there. So now we have to make a what we call handle for this cylinder. Let me construct a handle now. For that, I'll go here and start with the center, and I want the upper part of the handle has to be 30 in length. So let's make that as 30, and then I want that handle to come down for 50 mm. So let's make another. Construction line of 10 mm, and from there we'll make a horizontal line of 50 mm, so that's 25 mm each side. Now we'll go to simple line. We'll just connect all these points. And then I'll use 3-point arc to create an arc here. Now finish the sketch and extrude this thing. Let the operation be join, and we want this to be 1.5. It's better if we make that as symmetric. Looks cool, right? Now even these edges are sharp, so we'll just chamfer these edges as well. Control press and hold and select all those edges. Then go here into modify and chamfer. So 1 mm chamfer looks good. How about 1.5? Pretty good. Now we have to make the supports for this thing. Now we'll make the support. Before that, we'll just move this thing around. Let me select this, go here into move. I will just move it right there. Now I'll hide that body and start with a brand new sketch. This time I'm gonna select this front plane and now I'll construct a line of Now I'll construct a vertical line of 30 mm, so that's gonna be 15 up and then 15 down. Oh, and then I want that to be I want that to be 1 mm in thickness. Then let's just connect that up. Now what I'll do is make a construction line from here of 5 mm. Then I'll construct a circle this has to be non-constructive type, so we know that the cylindrical rod is of 10, so we want to have some play in between. So for that I'll make this as 11 mm. Let's make this as 7 or 8 would be great. Again we have to construct one more circle of 1 mm thickness. So I'm gonna construct another circle from the same center of 13 mm. And then I want a fillet here. So I don't want this to be two separate parts or two separate bodies. I just want this to be made in single piece of I want this to be a single body, so I want it to go like this and then take a turn like this, and that is how it should end. So we'll construct as per that. I'll go here into 3-point arc. Then I'll just start from here randomly, and this is how I want it to be. Now the second one has to go like this. That looks perfect. Now I'll construct a horizontal line from this point to this point, and I'll just trim this out like that. And then I don't want this, I don't want this, as well as this, and this. Looks cool, right? Delete this line as well. Now I want all this geometry to be mirrored onto this horizontal plane. So I'll just select this all up, and then I'll go here into mirror, object selected 20, select the mirror line. Oh shit, we don't have mirror line. Don't worry, just go here, turn on the origin, and you'll get the vertical red line. Select that, and there it is. That's how easy it is. Turn off all the dimensions. Looks cool. Now finish the sketch and then revolve it around. I don't know why these two became separate bodies, but anyways, we'll select this and this as well. And let's extrude that as a new body for 20, a new component. Woo, man, that thing turned out really cool. See how that looks now. So let's finish the sketch, turn off the origin. Again, these edges are sharp. We'll just let this as well as the bottom ones. Okay, so 0.5 looks pretty good on this. Yeah, that looks neat. Not bad. What else is remaining on this? Okay, we need 2 holes on the top and here one on the bottom so that we can mount it on the door or the wall. Let's go back to sketch and select the right plane, and then I'll construct a construction line of 10 and then a vertical line of 10, and then I'll construct a circle on top here of 5 mm in diameter. Wait a second. That circle has to be a regular circle. And I'll just mirror this thing down. Select the mirror line as this horizontal line and just hit OK. So that is how you do it. Finish the sketch. Turn on the component. Select both of those circles and extrude them and just cut them out. Wow, looks really cool. Okay, so this is going to be the support for the horizontal rod. So let's turn on that thing. Where is that? Okay, so there it is. What else we are left with? That we have to see first. Support. This will go inside the support. Okay, so we have to make some locking mechanism here. So for that, let me select this, go into sketch, turn off this component. So I want a slot right here so that another body can come inside this and it will be having a circular hole so that where So that's where I'm going to put a lock. Now I'll make a line. I'll make a construction line of 20 mm. Then there I'll make a rectangle First I'll create one more horizontal line of 2.5 mm, and then I'll make a regular rectangle of 5 mm by 25 mm. Let's cut that part out. Okay, not bad. So let's make another body that has to intersect this part so that it must act as a lock. So let me hide this thing first. I'll move this thing to the left hand side. Now I'll go into sketch and then select the front plane, hide the first component, and then I'll make a line of 30 mm, that is 15 up and 15 down. Let's keep this as 1 mm in thickness. Then make a construction line of 20 mm or 10 mm vertical. Then from there we'll make a regular rectangle of 15 by 20. Twelve by 20 is perfect. Now finish the sketch. Select this. We'll extrude this for want that to be 30, so that's 15 on each side. Looks good. Or how about 10? 10 on each side is more than sufficient, I would say. Now select this plane and extrude this symmetrically for 0.75. That's cool. As well as this, and I want this to have some round edges. I'll try to make this as, oh, that's too big. Not bad. Perfect. So I have kept that as 5 mm on each side. Looks pretty good. Now I want even this to have a little bit of fillet. .75 looks cool. Yeah, not bad. Now we want here one hole. So even that will make now. For that, let me go here into sketch, select this plane, make a construction line. Let's keep that as 7. Now make a circle of, let's say, 5 mm. Let me extrude that out. Make it symmetric. Just pull that out. Hit OK. So there it is. So let me just try to assemble it right away to see whether it fits or not, or else we can do some alterations. So there it is. I just have to move this thing around just like that. Take this thing, okay, everything looks pretty good. Let me just rotate this thing just a little, like 10 degrees. First I'll keep that as 0, then I'll take it here. Let's make this as negative 2.5. Perfect. Little behind. Negative again 2.5 and tilt this for. Again we'll take this little behind. And then we'll tilt this just to give it some realistic looks. Yeah, not bad. I think we need to extrude this thing just a little more. So this is that sketch. Go here into edit sketch. How about making this as $17. You can always edit it. That's the beauty of this software. Let's make that as 20. And we want that circle to come little forward. That as well we will edit it. Make that as 20. Little more. Yeah, perfect. Oh, that's perfect. That is what we were looking for. I think even this has to get a little thick. So here it is. No, that's fillet. No, that's extrusion. I want this to be 1.2. Looks good. We can still increase it a little bit, but that's enough, I would say. Now let's bring those spacers. Okay, I forgot to make holes here, so we'll make that as well. Let me just move this thing. Now I'll select the right plane. Now here I want to make few holes. Go here into construction. I'll construct a line of 6 mm. From here I want a vertical line of 10. Another line of 5. Now I'll just hide that out and then make a circle here, not construction, of 5 mm. Then I'll create another circle down here of 5 mm. I'll just copy this thing and I'll paste it and I'll just drag it like this here. I'll just move this thing around. And then I'll go here into sketch dimension and select these 2 points and I want this to be 6. Let's turn on the body. Then we'll select all these circles and then I'll just extrude them and cut them out. Okay, so that is where the bolts are going to go on this thing. This side I wanted it to be slightly lowered, so let's edit this, move, again I'll go into sketch dimension, select this, I want to move this thing slightly down like that. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. Looks pretty good now. Now 4 bolts are going to go on this. 4 bolts or screws. Now almost everything is ready. We just have to assemble all the parts. So where's the other component? Yeah, there it is. Now let's start mounting everything. I want to move this thing here 100 mm. Hit OK. It's right on place. Now we'll make some copies of this thing. Go here into copy, create a copy, drag this thing around, hit OK. Again go here, select this, create a copy, repeat this until you have 4 of those. Okay, once you have 4 of those, we'll assemble it. So now we'll select this first. Make this as 200 and then I'll just make that as 0 degrees, hit enter. So just keep playing with the numbers until you get it in the position you want it to be. So it's almost there where I want it to be. Okay, that looks perfect now. Better than assembling all this, it's a lot more headache to take all this and match here and align it. So I'll just delete all of this and I'll go on making copies of this one, so that will be a lot more easier. So I'll go here and select this. And I'll just create a copy of that. So I want it to be here. Hit OK. Slightly here. Okay. Now one more I want. It to be here. Hit OK. And the fourth one has to be on the wall, just like that. Hit OK. Finally, it looks really cool now. Wow man, that thing turned out really good than what I had expected it to be. Now let me demonstrate how it's gonna work. So this is the body one. So I'll select that. I'll go here into move. So oops. So that is how it is going to lock and unlock. Okay, so this is how it is going to lock and unlock. So once you take this up like this, then you can slide it in or out like this to lock it out or unlock. Wow, that animation looks so cool, right? So here it is actually getting intersected, so we'll just move that around a little bit. So let me select this one and move this thing just around here. Would work out, I guess. Select this point, move it. Let's open the latch. Okay, so the latch has been opened. Let's slide that. Okay, now that works really cool. And that is how a basic lock mechanism works. Well, thank you so much guys for being till the end of this video. Keep grinding, keep practicing, and see you next time.